How excited are you to be a part of Rise and Fall?
Before everything, thank you India Forums for doing this with me. I am extremely excited but a lot nervous and anxious too because this is my first ever reality show and also a captive one.
What made you say yes to the show?
होल एक्सपीरियंस एलिमेंट मुझे लगता है कि एक एक्सपीरियंस हर जिंदगी में हर एक बार एक एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए नया कुछ एंड दिस इज द राइट टाइम स्टेज एंड एज आई फील फॉर डूइंग अ शो लाइक दिस एंड व्हाई नॉट बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट एवर सीजन and people always remember people who have come and done something good in the first seasons of any show.
There was this rumor that you're going to be doing Big Boss. What was your reaction to the same?
I was laughing at those rumors because Ankita Lokhande, who I have said multiple times is like my sister, so she knew because she's done a captive reality show. So when this offer came to me, she was one of the first people I called and I said that ये करूँ कि ना करूँ, कैसे होता है, बहुत difficult होता है क्या, कैसा बाहर से कट ऑफ करके अंदर रहना मुश्किल होता होगा या आसान है. तो उसने मुझे बोला कि तू कर, बहुत अच्छा होगा, इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस, यू विल रेलिश एंड यू विल रिमेंबर दिस एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. तो जब वो मुझे राखी बांधती है तो जब उसने मेरे को राखी बांधा और उसने मुझे बोला कि आशीर्वाद ले, तो मैंने आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए तो उसने सिर्फ बोला कि जहां भी जा रहे हो जीत के आना. अंकिता को पता था आई एम डूइंग राइज एंड फॉल, मुझे पता था कि आई एम डूइंग राइज एंड फॉल, बट बिकॉज दैट टाइम पीपल डिडंट हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट राइज एंड फॉल इज प्रीमियरिंग इन सितंबर, सो दे थॉट दैट एंड बिग बॉस तब चर्चे में था, तो उनको लगा कि अरे अंकिता ने बोला है अपने भाई को, अपने मुंह बोले भाई को, तो वो बिग बॉस में ही जा रहा होगा. सो एवरीबडी केप्ट writing that I'm doing Big Boss.
Being a journalist for so long, you know how captive reality shows work. Do you think it will be an advantage or a disadvantage for you?
Of course it will work as an advantage because I've been an avid audience of captive reality shows, but it's also a disadvantage because a lot of people will think that I know a lot of it, and because this is internal voting, क्या पता उनको लगे कि समझदार को पहले आउट कर दो.
Who do you think will be a strong contestant in the show?
See, according to me, everybody is going to be strong in their own ways. Nobody is coming there to lose. Socially, and if you talk about popularity wise, I think Arush Bhola is going to be amazingly popular. When you talk about strengths, I think Anaya Bangar is going to be very, very popular. Actually, socially, even Dhanashri is going to be popular. Kiku Bhai and Arjun are going to come with their own fandom and fan following, which is a loyal TV audience. Anaya Bangar is actually going to be somebody I'm looking forward to interacting with because I love what she's done and I love how brave she is. So I think she will also come with that added value. I think she will be one of those lambi race ka ghora and I would like to be one too. So let's hope that this works out well for all of us.